Damien Dollar want them more. Damien Diamond solving more. Vision clear, we rack 'em up, make 'em real intangibles.
We would just want to shout out one of our sponsors for our podcast. We've partnered with Pinas Forward. If you guys don't know Pinas Forward, basically it's a non-partisan, non-profit organization committed to enhancing democracy and promoting progressive societal advancements through digital-driven data and innovations in the Philippines. And this advocacy group strives to foster a technologically proficient, socially conscious, and morally guided Philippines through innovation grassroots strategies. And their commitment involves creating initiatives such as eBoto, and which is a web-based digital democracy research ecosystem. And for further details, make sure to follow their programs and activities in all of their social media channels. They can be found in Instagram, Twitter, and as well as Facebook. So follow them, guys.
Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this. Welcome back to the Intangibles podcast. I'm Matt here with Lige, Byron, and Jazzy. And FYI, di ko na bibigyan ng malaking intro. Si Jazzy, bagong member na ng podcast. So, welcome guys. Palakpakan naman natin si Jazzy. Guys, palakpakan nyo naman si Jazzy, guys. Puta. Ano ba yun si Byron? Parang walang pake. Sige.
Sabi ni Matt, mag-clap ka si Lige naman, naka-thumbs up lang.
Sige. Okay, anyway.
Good to know.
Good to know daw. Tangina. Sige. So, tapos na tayo sa point guard, shooting guard, small forward. Today, power forwards of the NBA ang ating pag-uusapan, no? But before that, finals na po mga kaibigan. And by the time this is posted, tapos na game 1. Kasi Friday sa atin yung game 1. So, sakto, hihingi ako ng predictions from you guys. First of all, ini-expect niyo ba ang Dallas at Boston maabot sa finals?
No.
Boston, no.
Well, Dallas pala, sorry.
Boston, no.
In-expect niyo ba ang Dallas aabot sa finals?
Clippers talaga eh.
Ang tagal nang nawala ng Clippers ah.
Ayun nga eh. Yun nga. Yun yung point.
Ano nangyari sa bata niyo, bay?
Ano nangyari sa'yo? Asan yung OKC mo ngayon?
Ano sabi ko? Second round exit. Hindi ko sinabing aabot sila final. Sabi ko second round exit. The most. Yun na yun. So I called it. Ang nagtataka ako ba't natanggal yung Clippers.
Yun na.
Wala nga super kaway. That's super kaway.
Wala na. Ayoko na dun. Yun na. Wala na. Laki ng tiwala ako. Di lang rin naglaro ulit ang putik.
Mukhang parang tumaya ka yata, Lige ah.
Hindi. Di ako tumataya. Wala lang. Kasi laki ng tiwala ko kay Kawhi eh. Biglang di lang pala maglalaro na naman. Like the third straight year, di na naman nagpakita sa playoffs.
Ay, nako. Anyway, so Dallas, Boston, guys. Boston, apparently, di ko alam kung tama yung nakita kong stat. 8 players who made 100 or more 3-point field goal percentages. 3 field goal baskets. So, 8 players yun na more than 100 3-pointers. Tapos, of course, Dallas, nakaasa kay Kyrie at kay Luka na may magandang performance from their role players. PJ Washington, Derrick Jones, Lively, na injured ata. I don't know if he's gonna be out for game 1. But first of all, Jazz, welcome to the podcast. No? Ano ang iyong predictions para sa ating finals ngayon for the NBA?
Ako feeling ko Dallas magcha-champion. Knowing that kulang sila ng hindi, parang equal lang eh kasi yun nga, injured si Lively and si Kristaps wala rin sa Boston, so hindi ko sure pero more of Dallas.
Dallas fan ka lang ata eh.
Hindi ako bandwagon pre. Pero hindi na ako Laker fan unless umalis na si LeBron.
Mga pala Thunder fan ka na nga pala ngayon. Congrats, welcome.
Sorry. What sinasabing OKC na?
Okay. Sige,
Is
boy.
Spurs na lang.
Well, sinasabi ko sa inyo, now's the time para mag-invest para maging Spurs fan. Sinasabi ko lang sa inyo, guys.
Habang sa baba pa kami.
Sige, boy. Anong predictions mo?
Prediction ko, Dallas din ako.
Can you give us a reason why?
Just watching Boston playoffs. Wala pa napanood na game nila buong season kasi di talaga ako na-interest sa game nila. Tapos sa playoffs, madami silang games na they're coming from behind. And to be that dominant as a first seed. Tapos ang dami mong games na you're trailing the first half. If you're trailing the first half against Luka and Kyrie, I don't think you're coming back. I don't think you're gonna make a run to get back in the game. Kasi nga, many people are saying that that's the most talented backcourt in NBA history. They're the best closers in the game right now. So I think if it's close, Dallas has the edge. So in terms of those things, I think Dallas yung favorites ko. So rin.
Nga pala, Jazz, how many games?
Siguro 6. Dallas 6.
Ikaw ba?
Safest.
6 din.
Sige, Lige. Luka Magic fan.
So,
Dallas in 4? Ganun?
Dallas manalo. Pero, sinasabi ko na parang mas mahirapan ng Dallas sa Celtics kaysa sa Timberwolves. Just because like I mentioned before, parang bad matchup talaga yung Timberwolves sa Dallas. Parang na-analyze ko yung previous series. If nanalo yung Nuggets sa Timberwolves tapos Dallas at saka Nuggets yung nagkatapat, pili ko Nuggets yung mag-advance. Ngayon, it's a game of what you call this matchups. Ang wala kasi ng Timberwolves na meron ang Celtics is backcourt defense, which is they have Drew Holiday and Derrick White. And feeling ko may chance. I think favorites para sa akin ng Celtics, even though I want Dallas to win, just because of those guys I mentioned, Derrick White and Drew Holiday. Even though ang hirap talagang tapatan si Kyrie and Luka. Sinasabi ko na wala akong tiwala kay JT and Jaylen Brown. Pero if nag-step up talaga si Drew Holiday, feeling ko mahihirapan yung Dallas as compared to parang what they gone through against Timberwolves. Ito sinasabi ko na feeling ko manalo Celtics in 7. Even though gusto ko manalo Dallas.
Ano? Celtics in
So
what?
Celtics in 7 ako.
Oh, shit.
7.
Okay.
Manalo Dallas to.
I feel like I would go Dallas in 7, because first of all, I don't think Boston the whole playoffs have faced as tough a team as Dallas. Medyo cakewalk yung papunta nila sa finals, especially sobrang low seeds. Hindi man sobrang low seeds. I mean, Cavs, inconsistent Cavs team, injured Miami team, young Indiana team. Dallas is very experienced. Kyrie has finals experience. Luka has playoff experience. They're red hot right now, and I don't think yung pag-aasa ng Boston sa 3 points nila will take them past Dallas. So sobra silang umaasa sa outside shooting nila na if it doesn't work, they're gone. So I feel like Dallas, they'll get in couple of games. Yun nga, 3-3, and then I'll take Dallas in the 7th game because I feel like, yun nga, sabi ni Byron, they're the best closers right now. So I feel like Luka will win his first championship. Anyway, power forwards. Speaking of Dallas, one of the greatest power forwards, Dirk Nowitzki. Isa sa mga pag-uusapan natin ngayong araw dahil ang ating drafting will be power forwards, no? At ang kakausapin ko ngayon ulit ay ChatGPT kung ano ang order ng picks. Please put in order. Lagay ko na yung full name mo, Lige, ha? Elijah Byron Jazzy. Okay. Byron Elijah Jazzy Matt. Okay. We're good.
Ano na ulit yung mga ano natin? Mga tawag dito. Kailangan. Ay,
Hindi, drafting to ba eh?
top 6 na ba? Top 6, no?
Starting 5 lang.
Starting 5 and 6 man. Yeah.
Right.
Okay. Ready ka na ba ba sa... Ay, ba't kay Byron napunta yung first pick? Puta na, parang alam ko na kung sino pipiliin nito.
Sino kaya first pick ko?
Ano lang ba?
First pick ko.
Suhan.
I'll put him.
Power forward yan.
Jeremy Sohan.
I'll put him as my center. I'll put him as my center. The greatest power forward ever played in the game. Tim Duncan.
Yun na sila edge na, nagdadabog na.
Ano yung like,
Sayang.
Japan na Sohan.
Sige.
Last
Oh.
pick to yan, last pick. Wait lang. So, to lang sa power forward is kasi after Tim Duncan, anybody can be number 2 eh. Kaya medyo,
Honestly, oh.
hindi ko lang kung sinong pipiliin.
Lige, naamoy namin yung hininga mo
Sige na.
dito. Baka naman.
Sorry. Hirap.
Nyeta.
Sige, I'll get personally the second greatest power forward ever. At my power forward, and small forward, I'll get Dirk Nowitzki.
Okay. 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 Jazzy.
Ako, Siguro for my, ito na naman tayo, ang hirap ito. For my shooting forward, siguro si ano na lang, si Chris Bosh.
Wow. Chris
May
Bosh.
shooting yan. May shooting yun, pre. May shooting yun.
Okay. So, I'm gonna make my 2 picks and after nun ipopost ko yung recording dahil nandito yung pagkain ko. Simple. I'm gonna put power forward ko. Power forward ko, I'm gonna get Giannis. And then I'm at my point guard, I'm gonna get Charles Barkley.
Charles Barkley.
Okay, so wait lang.
Ako na.
Okay, Judge, ikaw na.
For my point guard, kukunin ko si ano kaya? Lamar Odom.
Okay. Okay.
Sa iba yun ba yun?
Wait for
What? Sino kinuha mo?
Ha?
Giannis, tsaka si Charles.
Barkley at saka...
Giannis.
Ay na, wala pa kumukuha dito. Sige. Hindi ko lang kung saan siya lalagay. Power forward or center. Sige, at center, lalagay ko si... At my center, I'm gonna get Kevin Garnett.
Okay.
At my 2, can handle the ball. So, pwede siyang guard. I'm gonna get Anthony Davis. And then, my point guard, also handle the ball, can pass. I'm gonna go get Chris Webber.
Chris Webber.
Yeah.
Yes.
Dami rin pala, no?
Ito na lang umabot sa akin.
Dami rin pala nito. Reg.
Sige. Kunin ko na yung point guard ko. Feeling ko the best playmaker at this position. Point guard. Kunin ko si Draymond Green.
Kala ko naman sino. Kala ko naman kung sino yung alam. Oh, Jazz, ikaw na.
Sa akin, siguro gagamitin ko na yung yung style ni Lige. Papalitan ko si Chris Bosh. Punta ko siya sa power forward, tapos Kevin Love for um tawag dito,
Small forward. Okay.
small forward. Yeah.
All right. Small forward. Okay. My pick. First of all, kukunin ko center for my center position. Probably one of the best rebounders in the game, Dennis Rodman. And then,
Yeah.
lalagay ko lang pa siya 3 ko para defender. Tapos center kukunin ko si Pau Gasol.
Okay.
Mhm.
Akin for my center, lang, Ben Wallace.
Power forward ba yun? Di ba sentro yun?
Pero yun.
Sentro yun ah.
Di
Sentro yun.
Sentro yun ah.
Di based off kay Google
Ibang ata yun.
Ibang Wallace
Baka
ata.
may... Teka lang, baka...
Sige na. Sino pa ba? Center, siguro lang, si Kevin McHale ba?
Or forward.
Center. That's my center.
Gago, ba't walang may gustong kumuha dito? Ba't may power forward? Kunin ko si Mailman.
Karl Malone.
Alam kong hindi siya mabuting tao pero drafting lang naman to.
Ano siya? Anong posisyon?
Power forward.
Buisit yung alam kong hindi siya mabuting tao. Puta.
Pwede. Yeah, for my 3, I want an athlete. I'm gonna get Blake Griffin. Tapos, my 4. Stretch 4. Yeah, para may toughness din. Rasheed Wallace na.
Yun ang Wallace.
Ay, shit, ako na pala. At my 2 guard. Teka lang guys Can I get two guard na lang kasi yung meron ako eh.
6-man.
2 guard, 6 man. Sige, kuha ako ng wild card. At may 2 kunin ko si Pascal Siakam.
Damn.
Ako, for my 6-man, Zion Williamson.
Damn. God damn. Ano ba ito mga... Okay. Zion. Shooting guard. Okay. Ako, shooting guard, tsaka 6-man. Sino bang kinuha na kasi yung mga marunong tumira? Sige. I'll just add more toughness to the team. For the 2, I'll get Larry Johnson. And then 6-man ko, Sean Kemp.
Kanina ko pa inaantay sa'yo yung mga galingan natin.
Wala sa posisyon eh. 6-man.
For
My team is
position,
complete.
shooting guard, Paolo Banchero.
Paolo Banchero.
Bata naman ng team. Jazz, ano ba yan?
Okay.
Sixth
Yun na lang
man,
mabibigay.
kunin ko yung last true power forward na naglaro sa NBA. I'll get LaMarcus
Ha?
for my sixth man.
DeMarcus Cousins?
Aldridge.
Hindi.
Aldridge.
Aldridge.
LaMarcus.
Marcos.
Oo.
Tara sa akin.
Ako si Sohan na to. Antonio McDice. Fabricio Alberto.
Ano pa ba sa'yo, Byron?
Six man lang. Six man.
Man.
Six man.
Dami dyan, Vine. Dami ko nakita eh.
Pero parang hindi ano eh. Di ba ako ano yung role na gagawin niya. Sige. Kailangan ko ng enforcer. Charles Oakley ako. Charles Oakley.
Pangsapakan.
Enforcer na lang.
Ano ba?
Pwede. Ayun na, mas maganda pa rin yung team ko last time. Knowledge. Mas maganda pa yung team ko last time, Knowledge. Si Ron Artest at saka si Stephen Jackson. Yung small forward. Yeah. Ayos, di ba? Pangsapakan talaga.
Pwede.
Okay, one by one. Teka. Let me... Okay. So, one by one, no? Mention your team. So, I'll just start para makakain ako. At my point guard, I have Charles Barkley. At the 2, I have Larry Johnson. At the 3, I have Dennis Rodman. At the 4, I have Giannis. At the 5, I have Pau Gasol. And 6 man is Sean Kemp. Byron.
At my center, I have Tim Duncan. My 4, Rasheed Wallace. 3 is Blake Griffin. 2, Anthony Davis. Chris Webber at the 1. And 6 man, Charles Barkley. Charles Barkley. Charles Oakley.
Nakuha pa ka ng player, ah.
Uy,
Large.
baliktad yung sa akin.
Point guard, Draymond.
Go.
Yan. For my point guard, Draymond Green. Shooting guard, Pascal Siakam. Ito small forward ko, Dirk Nowitzki. Power forward, si Karl Malone. Center, si Kevin Garnett. Tapos 6 man ko si LaMarcus Aldridge.
For me, for my point guard, Lamar Odom. Shooting guard, Paolo Banchero. Small forward, Kevin Love. Tapos, power forward, Chris Bosh. Tapos, center, Kevin McHale. Then, 6 man, Zion.
Okay. Parang matatalo si Jazzy sa unang ano niya dito. Official draft niya. Parang hina eh. Anyway, let us know who won the draft. Pero moving forward, like we always do, we will build our perfect power forward, no? And just for those who haven't watched yet, we'll be basing off 8 categories. Body build, which means height, weight, IQ, passing, shooting, athleticism, speed, and vertical yon. Defense, handles, and general scoring ability. Okay? So, let me talk to ChatGPT again. Reorder, please. Byron Elijah, ano ba yan? Byron Elijah Jazzy Matt.
Yun pa rin.
Yun pa rin, sabi ni ChatGPT. Isa pa daw? Isa pa? Okay, isa pa.
Ako na una.
Puta. Please put in random order. Okay. Jazzy, Elijah, Matt, Byron.
Yes.
Second pick pa rin si Lige. Okay. Sige.
Sige. Okay. Ako, scoring ability, sorry, Giannis na ako agad.
Okay.
Kaya
Lige.
unahin ko, no? IQ. Tim Duncan's IQ.
Tim Duncan. IQ. Okay. For me, syempre, hindi naman ganun karaming shooter dito. So I'm gonna get Dirk Nowitzki for my shooting. I'm gonna get Dirk.
Okay. Unahin ko yung body build. I'm gonna get Karl Malone. And then, the defense of Kevin Garnett.
Yung defense, KG, body build, Karl Malone. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go for it. Defense, Dennis Rodman. Para may perimeter tsaka inside defense. Lige.
Ako na ba? Ako na, no? For defense naman, I'll get Draymond. One of the few players that can guard 1 to 5.
Draymond ka yan.
Wala eh.
Draymond fan na yun.
Saka lang sa scoring.
Ano ba?
Sorry, ako na pala. Hirap na ito, guys, ha. Siguro sa akin sa IQ, si... IQ siguro, Pau Gasol.
Okay.
Damn it.
Tapos, athleticism. May kumuha na ba kaya, no? Sean Kemp? Wala pa.
Wala pa po.
Okay.
Athleticism, Sean Kemp. Ay, gago. Ayun. Okay. Lige.
Anthony Davis scoring ability.
Okay. Shit. Ano pa ba? Okay, I'll go with handles. Kukunin ko dun si Chris Webber.
Okay. So for handles, I'm gonna get Lamar Odom.
Nice.
And then the shooting of Kevin Love.
Sa'yo talaga maging last pick, no? Kota.
Ayoko maging second o third pick eh.
Isa-isa lang.
Oh.
Teka ha. Nag-search pa ako dito. Okay. No, athleticism, Blake.
God damn it! Hey. Pari. Sino meron dito? Shooting Chris Bosh.
Okay. Next.
So, ako, defense ko sa defense ko hindi pala kasama tong sila. Iba pala. Siguro sa shooting ko na lang si LaMarcus Aldridge.
Okay. And then,
Tapos, ano pa ba kulang ko? Defense, handles, passing. Body build. Taba niya kasi.
Glenn Davis.
Hirap. Ball handling. Hindi ko alam
hirap pag nasa power forward tayo.
Oo nga eh.
Ako naman,
Dito
hindi
na
naman rolling
dito na
the
ako
list.
nahihirapan actually.
Ako naman, may naiisip na ako.
Ball handling.
Sohan na yan. Matik.
Siyempre.
Siguro sa handles, no choice talaga ako si Paul Millsap.
Sam.
Shit, nakalimutan ko si Paul Millsap.
Wala na akong maiisip.
Okay, Lloyd, your turn.
Athleticism. Zion.
Okay. Ako, body built, Rasheed Wallace. Nice.
Okay, so IQ. Power forward siya. But I can see his IQ as during his time as a coach, I'm gonna get Phil Jackson.
Hanip!
And then
Phil Jackson.
tama naman. Power forward din eh. And then athleticism of Josh Smith.
Ayun. Okay.
Wow.
Josh Smith. Okay.
Kings of Phil Jackson eh.
Man. Nakuha na pala yung kukunin ko dapat. Fuck. Mahirap to. Ano ba ako? Ano ba ang kulang ko? IQ, passing, scoring ability. Okay. And shit, ang hirap, guys. Guys, ang hirap Sino pa bang matalino?
Meron na ako.
Sino pa bang matalino dito?
Okay na. Kilala ko na yung dalawa ko.
Okay, IQ. Oh shit, nakuha na ba? Hindi pa. Okay. IQ ko, Kevin McHale.
Okay. Kino-confirm ko lang if power forward siya.
Sino?
Pwede mo naman sabihin sa amin, ikaw naman pipili eh.
Ay, ko na.
Passing. Passing Boris Diaw.
Kuha pa yung isa ko.
Boris Diaw.
Fuck. Boris Diaw.
Ano naman tulang sa akin?
Sino pa ba pwede? Okay.
Gago, hindi mo pala nakuha. Alam, kilala ko na yung kukunin.
Anong pang kulang ko? Passing, defense, saka body build. Ako body build siguro na lang susugulan ko na to. Ay, hindi. Wag. Di pala. Defense ko si Sino to? Yung sa Denver dati? Si Martin. Pangalan niya?
Kenyon
Kevin.
Martin.
Yan yun.
Kenyon Martin. Yep. Tapos,
Passing body build.
body build, ano na lang. Si Randall.
Julius Randle?
Mm.
Late mo boy ah. Julius
Ba't ba
Randle.
may comment ka sa akin? Pre, may problema ka ba? Sabi mo
Meron.
na,
Kasi kinukuha mo yung player ko eh.
kasalanan ko ba yun?
Kinukuha mo yung mga player ko eh.
Oh, Lige.
Teka lang. Si Kristaps ba, do we consider him center, power forward?
Ay, wait. May kulang pa ba ako? Ay, nga, no. May isa pa pala ako. Sorry.
Oo,
Sige.
power forward.
Power forward siguro.
Power forward si Kristaps, no?
Ako sa passing, si ano na lang.
Mamaya ka pa.
Isa pa lang yung napili ko.
Julius Randle at saka Kenyon Martin napili mo.
Saan si Martin? Defense.
Defense.
Oo nga pala. Sorry. Passing na lang pala. Last. Ba't ka galit?
Okay.
Kasi kinukuha mo players ko.
Teka. Ang body build, hindi naman kasama injuries doon, di ba?
Oo.
Hindi.
Never natin sinama injuries. So, sige. I'll take the tallest power forward as my body build, Kristaps Porzingis.
Oh,
Siya ba tallest?
center yun ah. Center yun ah.
Ngayon
Power
lang mo
forward
naging
yun.
center yun. Hindi, sa'yo bawal, Jazz.
Ba't ka galit? Ba't ka galit?
Scoring ability. Sino ba yung may matinong scoring ability?
Sino to? Passing.
Nag-aantay lang ako, Matt. Sino hindi mo kukunin?
Sinong hindi ko kukunin ng puna?
Oo, may nasa isip ko eh.
Paano pag hindi ko kinuha parehas?
E de, mas masaya ako. Angat-angan yung isa eh. Mas angat lalo.
Patingin nga ng mga scoring ability niyo. Giannis, AD.
Passing,
Okay.
mismo passing. Best passing power forward.
Ito medyo rogue.
Pre.
Medyo rogue na na scoring ability. Rashard Lewis. Oh, shit.
Buti na lang. Buti na lang.
Rashard Lewis.
Scoring ability ko. Scoring ability, I'm going with Charles Barkley.
Di ba napili na yun? Di ba ba? Di pa. Okay.
And the passing of passing of hindi ko napili na.
Eh, may puta, may nakita ako dito.
The passing of Zach Randolph.
Kang puta, yun na yun na yun na yun.
Iniisip ko kanina
Yun na yun.
eh.
Zibo.
Na,
May isa pang round ah.
tapos na.
Tapos na siya.
Hindi, si Byron tapos na.
Ako pa. May passing pa ako. Puta, kinuha niya yung pang-passing ko eh.
Ano lang kulang pa,
Yun yung iniisip
Sanders,
ko
di
eh.
ba?
Ikaw,
Masaya
Lige,
sa sinunod ko yun.
Handles.
Kung sinunod ko si Randall tsaka si Zach Randolph, pikon na pikon sa akin si Matt. Sarap.
Tangina mo. Gago, sino ang kukunin ko dito?
Suwan nga.
Ha?
Sohan?
Sohan? Fuck you.
Kaya, may naisip kaya.
Sabi mo nga sa akin, Baron, pag may naisip ka. wala na akong makita sa passing. Ginawa mo si Zach Randolph, yun na dapat yun eh.
Di ba ba? Kyle Anderson.
Pucha. Anong position si Domantas?
Sentro yun,
Goal.
sentro.
Wala, sentro na siya. Ikaw na pipili.
Tangina, sino? Wala na ako may lagay.
6.
Sino?
Hindi tingin ng mga ng mga list.
Uy, sabi to. Dapat kasi hindi na passing. Ito na lang, sige. I think he's one of the highest sa passing aside from dun sa mga binanggit niya. Highest sa assist. Sige, siya na lang. Larry Johnson. 3.5 assist siya per. Larry
Wala na
Johnson.
maisip. Sige, handles. Handles, Aaron Gordon.
Nathan Gordon. Ayos din ah.
Aaron
maisip
Gordon.
Wow.
Passing Jazz. Tama ba? Passing. Oh, tama. Passing na lang.
Oh, pre.
Ano? Si Gino
May
Ladimo.
nakakuha na ba kay ano? May
Hindi
nakakuha na ba kay Karl Malone?
Body build ko yun. Maskulado player.
Hindi mabuting tao, ba? Body build na body build.
Oo.
Hindi mabuting tao yung...
May kumuha na ba kay ano? Kay Charles Oakley? Wala.
Passing mo,
Hindi.
Charles Oakley?
Alam mo ko.
Iba yung nakita ko. Sorry.
Sino ba? Ito siya nga mag-power forward.
Hirap na.
Yung mga moderns na Siakam.
Yun nga sinesearch ko mga modern. Ay, mga current.
Montero.
Pero,
Maganda sana
Rohan.
pang passing si Kevin Love eh.
Kevin Love? Oo, actually, pwede rin. Kasi wala na.
J-Dubs.
Pass. Late nun.
Tama, passing lang naman eh.
Ano na lang. Si Scotty Barnes, kinonsidered ba natin as small forward?
Kapag kakantanda ako, hindi.
Hindi ba?
Robert Sapre, oh.
Sentro yun eh, sentro. Bawal.
Bawal.
Sabihin ko sana Kendrick Perkins eh, pero hindi rin eh, sentro rin kasi.
Calabrini, oh.
O yun, Brian Scalabrine!
For the culture.
White one. Anyways, yun na sa akin. Sige. Si Scotty Barnes. Wala na eh. Passing lang naman. So,
Yung pa kinuha si J-Dub, grabe ka naman.
wala.
Kala mo favorite player mo yun?
Oo, sa TikTok.
Yun talaga bakit ayoko yung bakit ayoko OAC. Mga
Bakit?
TikTok yan.
Nakakaasar kaya na nakakatawa ba? Huwag ka nga.
Yo. Ang base to.
Okay, bye. Player.
The body and build of Karl Malone, the IQ of Phil Jackson, passing of Zach Randolph, shooting of Kevin Love, scoring of Charles Barkley, handles of Lamar Odom, athleticism of Josh Smith, and the defense of Kevin Garnett. GOAT.
Saya talaga maging last pick.
DeJounte Murray.
DeJounte Murray.
Okay, body build of Rasheed Wallace, IQ of Kevin McHale, passing of Larry Johnson, shooting of Dirk, athleticism of Blake, defense of Rodman, handles of Weber, scoring ability of Shard Lewis. Alam mo, dapat naisip ko, dapat pala rebounding na lang, hindi passing.
Wala.
Dito, okay na yan.
Sa center, ganun na lang gawin natin. Puta.
Oh, Reg.
Body build of Kristaps Porzingis. IQ of Tim Duncan. Passing of Boris Diaw. Shooting of Chris Bosh. Athleticism of Zion Williamson. Defense, Draymond Green. Handles of Aaron Gordon. And scoring ability of Anthony Davis.
And last but not the least.
So for my first body build, Julius Randle.
Wow! Wow, talo na agad.
IQ, Pau Gasol, passing, Scotty Barnes, shooting, LaMarcus, athleticism, Sean Kemp, defense, Kenyon Martin, handles, Paul Millsap, tsaka last scoring ability, Giannis.
Talo na naman si Jazzy. Grabe. Oof. Body build pa lang. Grabe. Anyway, you tell us who won.
Hello.
And after this, we will be doing the centers. Probably after that is the finals recap. And then we will soon have a 100th episode special na hanggang ngayon hindi pa namin naisip kung ano yun. So, after na yun ng dalawang episode na yun. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Watch out for our new episodes and please follow all our social media accounts in the description below. TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and of course subscribe. And yes, that's it. Peace and love. You stay safe. God bless.